333 News. I'm your news anchor Frank, and tonight we have some not so good news to share with you, which does involve the coronavirus pandemic that has been spreading worldwide for the past 3 months. So, in tonight's episode of 333 News, we are going to report that there are now more than 120,000 cases in total of the coronavirus in the United States alone. Worldwide, it has reached 600,000. That's more than 500,000. So, coronavirus is spreading pretty quickly, and we urge you all to practice social distancing and good hygiene in order to prevent further spread. And in other news, the death toll has now surpassed 2,000 in the United States. That is getting a little concerning, so we are urging everyone to practice social distancing like they are asked to by officials. So, yeah. I'm now going to go to Wario, who says W&W might start to pitch in on the development of face masks. Over to you, Wario.
Yes, Frank. Now I'm here with Waluigi, the co-founder of W&W.
Wah.
And, yeah. Since coronavirus is getting really serious and there is a global shortage of face masks, W&W has to pitch in now. We can't just let this slide by, because there are a lot of people who are pitching in the development of face masks. So W&W is going to pitch in. However, there will be a series of tests in order to find out which will be the best face mask and what the best material to make them out of is. So we will be putting our face masks through intense testing just to make sure that they are of the best quality. Thank you, Frank, and as soon as W&W starts to work on these face masks, we will be trying to distribute them as well, because we have to help.
Well, this is Wally, co-founder of W&W. And yes, what Wario is saying is all true. W&W will be doing their best to make face masks out of a material that is suitable, not only to block out any germs, but also for comfortable breathing. So, forget about paper, forget about cardboard. We are going to use whatever would be best. So, that is what W&W will do, and as many masks as they can make, they will do so. And please, everyone, we urge you to stop hoarding. That way, everyone can make it through this. Because the whole reason that we're still in this mess, and that it keeps getting worse, is because of you hoarders. Back over to you, Frank. Well, this isn't... Thank you for that, Wario and Waluigi. Waluigi, you should definitely get your arm fixed at some point, because it has to stop. Yes, anyways, as they have just discussed, W&W will be pitching in to help make face masks. However, they will probably not be available for a while, as they have to conduct some testing involving the material that it will be made out of. Alright. In other news, the Venus City has now made its own flag. I will display an image of the flag right now. Yep, as you can see, Venus City is officially being established. Now, secret for your viewers is, no, it's not actually going to be established, but we do want everyone to think it is because it's actually a Discord server, link in description. So Venus City does have its own flag now, subject to be modified. And that's pretty much all we have involving Venus City, other than their upcoming currency. Alright. So more about the coronavirus now, because that is the subject that is important, and we should stay on the topic of. So the coronavirus is not completely done in China, as everyone has thought, because we are reporting that there are a few new cases in China as of now. So, what everyone thought in China would be the end of the virus? Clearly not, because there are still a few random cases going around. However, it has been reported and confirmed by health officials that once you get the virus, you will be immune to it once you recover from it, unless it mutates, and you get a mutated version of it. So, if you are recovering from the virus, or have successfully recovered from the virus, there is no need to panic, because there is a 90% chance you will not get infected again. But if you have yet to get the virus, or you do have the virus, we urge you to practice social distancing. And even if you are fully recovered from the virus, you still practice social distancing because you could still obtain the virus even though your body will fight it off quickly enough in order for you to not feel sick. So, one is main subject here, main things we gotta do: wash your hands, practice social distancing, and do not hoard. Hoarding is what got us into this mess where it just got worse. So, we urge you all to stop hoarding, and we urge you all to practice social distancing because we're seeing that a lot of people are hoarding and not doing social distancing. But people are doing decent with washing their hands frequently, and that is something we respect. So, we would just like you to practice the other two: social distancing and avoid hoarding. That's all for 3 News for now. This is Frank signing off. I will be reporting later in the week if we have any more updates on this coronavirus pandemic. Signing off.